how to use your own image in Leonardo AI. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use your own image in Leonardo AI. Go to your web browser and search for Leonardo AI and log in through your Google account. After that, you can see your home page. And here, when you scroll down, you can see a lot of ideas that you can use with your image and replicate the particular style that you may want. Now, when you scroll down, you can see that you can like the picture. There is a heart option, which means you can like it. You can use the title or the prompt that is linked to any of the picture. And then you can see the option of prompt details, image to image, motion image to image, and remix. You can just copy the prompt details and use it in the picture that you want to create about. Just remix it to try to generate the same thing on the image. Now go back to home page, and here you can see the Leonardo AI icon, and you can see the upgrade option. You can upgrade it and buy the premium version. You also have the option of paying it monthly, and scroll down and see everything. Now let's go back to home page. Here you can see the personal feed. Tap on personal feed and you'll get the images that you have created here. Since I've not created anything, no images is found. And under here you can see AI tools. Under AI tools there is image generation. You can use motion as a source. You just need to put image. And here are universal unscalar, real-time canvas. Under there, advanced fine-tuned models, training data sets. Under fine-tuned models, you can see more ideas that you can use in your own image itself. You just need to copy the prompt and paste it. And there is training and data sets. And texture generation, which is premium version. You need to buy it. So now let's get back to fine-tune models, and here are some ideas that you can generate into your images. And you may just choose any of the images, for example, Animal Pastel Dream, which is very cool. If you want to generate something like Animal Pastel, then you may just choose that option. Or you may choose the Deliberate 1.1 and generate it on your image. Now let's get started with our own image generation. Just tap on image generation on the first option. And then here you can see options, preset style, preset enhance, prompt enhance, and all the prompt preset. And then you can choose the image dimensions, any of the dimension you want. And now here on the bar you can type any of the prompt that you want, and here on this star option you can see new random prompt, or you can choose the describe with AI option. Now I'm just gonna paste the prompt that I choose earlier and type in generate, and here you can see the related images have appeared. You can just customize it however you want, or change the prompt as well, or add new prompt. Just copy and paste, and you can just tap on generate, and new image with different ideas and variations will be available to you. So in that way you can use your own image in Leonardo AI to add image and make anything with your face. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it.